Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just hopping on here really quick because I did a Target in-store shopping video today and I mentioned a few deals that you can do online and I want to share with you guys how incredibly easy it is. So I'm just going to share with you guys the hot deal on Mrs. Meyer laundry detergent and up&up brand diapers. So we're just going to flip around and I'm going to share with you guys how incredibly easy this is. And Tanner, you want to say hi? You want to say hi, sweet boy? Can you say hi? Are you helping mommy work? Oh, look at that milk. Look at that milk. You gonna help mommy? Thank you. Okay guys, so the first deal is on the up&up brand giant packs of diapers. So this is the 176 count. So these guys are priced for $21.99 each. And they're part of a promo where you spend $100 and you're gonna get a $30 Target gift card back. So you wanna go ahead and buy 5 of them for $109.95. And then as you can see, the promotional gift card is included in your checkout order. So because we got to over $100, then in your checkout, you're automatically going to get the promotional gift card. So it makes these guys $79.95. After you factor in the gift card, you're gonna get 5% when you use your Target Red Card, and you get free shipping when you use your Red Card. Also, the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent, this is my absolute favorite laundry detergent. When you buy any 3, and this is Mrs. Meyer's, also Method is included. When you buy 3, you're gonna get a $10 Target gift card. So as you can see below, you're gonna be able to get your $10 Target gift card. So my total here is $158.85, but then you're gonna deduct $40. So it's really like you're paying $118.85. And then you're also gonna get 5% with your Red Card, free shipping. And if you click on this little ebates icon, if you are an ebates shopper, you're gonna get 1% cash back. It does exclude baby, but you can get the 1% cash back on your Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent purchase. So I just wanted to hop on here and share with you guys how incredibly easy it is if you want to go ahead and do these deals online. So if you don't have a Target nearby, you always can hop onto Target.com, and a lot of the promotional gift card deals that they run, you can go ahead and do the deals online. So I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys, especially since I have to rave about one of my favorite products, which is the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. So I'll have links to both of these in the description box if you guys just want to do a quick and easy online shop and snag some of these deals. So you can't beat this deal with Target. And also the Suave Kids, just so I can show you guys, the Suave Kids items that you're seeing in stores, you can also get this stuff online, but the catch-22 with the online shopping for Suave Kids is you wouldn't have the 25% Target cartwheel. But as you can see right here, the Suave Kids 2-in-1s and the detanglers, they also have the buy 4 and get a $5 Target gift card. So this is really awesome. And also the 3-in-1, the detangler, you could just go ahead and buy 4 of these online, then you can get your Target gift card, but unfortunately you can't use the Target cartwheel on this guy. So definitely go and check out my Target in-store shopping video if you have not already, but I just think that this is a great online deal if you want to stock up on some diapers or some laundry detergent. So I really love Grove Collaborative, but if I can get a deal on the Mrs. Meyer's cheaper than Grove Collaborative, then I'm definitely going to share with you guys. So this is the week to stock up on laundry detergents like Method and Mrs. Meyer's, because buy 3 and get a $10 Target gift card I think is a really great promotion that they're running. And the up&up brand diapers are amazing as well. So definitely get on Target.com if you do not have a Target near you, or if you just don't want to deal with the fuss and fuss of Target, especially since they're starting to get their back to school stuff out. So if you are an online shopper, this is the week to do it on diapers and natural detergents. So I hope everyone enjoyed this quick little video. Let me know if you want me to do some more Target online shopping deals, and I definitely will do that. So I will talk to everyone later. Bye.